Now it's time to turn your static presentation into an animated narrative by using Canva Magic Animate. We are going to harness the power of Magic Animate to apply customization animation to an entire design in just a second. Let us begin by opening a new presentation and choosing from the arrays of templates provided. For this example, I will select the annual company report template. While the template is visually appealing and well organized, you will notice that it lacks animation and transition between pages. It's time to change that. Now all you need to do is look for the Animate button situated above your design canvas. Click on it, then choose the Magic Animate option. In just a few seconds, Canva will suggest an animation style that complements your presentation's content along with the alternative styles if your recommendation does not suit your needs. After selecting a style, you will find your presentation fully animated without the need to do any manual slide-by-slide work. You can enter presentation mode or full screen mode and navigate through these slides to see how the animations and transitions have seamlessly integrated with your content narrative. Should you find any transition or effect not by your liking, you have the option to adjust the animation style or remove it entirely. As you explore through Magic Animate, remember that animation can significantly enhance the storytelling aspect of your designs. It's not just about adding motions to your slides, it's about creating narrative that captivates your audience. Alright, I will see you in the next lecture.